Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So I finally got my base Boxycharm. So let's see what's in it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like my video and its content enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. But before I get into this Boxycharm, if you watched my video, I think it was a couple videos ago, I had spent the day with Tuesday M, and I will link her channel below. And I had watched a video where they had patches for these ugly little lines, and myself and Tuesday were on this mission to find these. We went to like 3 or 4 stores. We could not find them anywhere. So I went on to Amazon and I ordered some. Well, they were like putting Scotch tape right here. And after I read the directions, you're actually supposed to leave them on all night long. And I don't know if I can tolerate it. So I haven't actually started to do that. But I went to the Dollar Tree because I was out that way, and lo and behold, I found some that have a serum in there. There's only one pair, so I guess they were $1 for one pair. But I am going to give them a try on our next Mask Monday, so I'm pretty excited. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you're looking for these, you can find them at the Dollar Tree. All right, let's get into the box. And I canceled the base box, so this will be the last I see of this. I just kept the premium because they really do have some nice things in the premium. And I already posted that video, so you'll see that floating by. And the theme of this was Game Changer. And these boxes have now gone to like $27. And all that information will be listed below, and I think there is a discount code in there, so if you haven't tried it yet, you can save some money in trying it. So the first thing is the Perfect Duo Quick Beat Mini Base. Is it a blender and a brush? We're gonna find out. So let me know if you get this and what you got in your box. So it is a lip blender, and oh, look at that. So I guess you can use it. That's really neat. I don't have a duo like this. And according to our card, hold on, let me get it. Okay, this is the, hopefully I don't butcher it, the Ferocious Luxe Cosmetics, the Perfect Duo Foundation Travel Set, and it retails for $30. It's an awful big box for 2 items, but that's okay. And I don't think I've seen anybody unbox that before. And the next thing is a big box. It is the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. And I think in every box we get a mask. Oh, this is a different thing. I haven't seen anything. It almost feels like a spray. So let's read up on this. And this is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks. You don't need that overpriced serum, and it retails for $19.95. I didn't want to open it because, you know, you hate to do the starting date, but it just feels weird. So when I do open it, I'll let you guys know. And the next thing is Let's FaceTime, exfoliating and hydrating and smoothing. And let's see what we got here. This is an overnight lip mask, and it retails for $19. So we're getting some really neat products, and this is what it looks. So you do leave this on overnight, so I can put those little patches around my face overnight. And then the next thing we have is always an Optimus Base Illuminizer. Boy, they really locked this guy up. That's pretty. So I don't know if you mix this with your base. Is it all the same color? Let's see. Always an Optimus, and this is by Rare Beauty, and it retails for $26. A cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates skin, prepping you for makeup that looks and feels its best all day. So I don't think it comes in colors. I think we all get the same color, and I'm gonna try it out. It definitely glows. It has a light fragrance to it. It's smooth. So that's kind of, I'll definitely try this as I stick my nose in it. I'll definitely try this. Yeah, we've been getting a lot of good primers. So, and then we have one more item, and it looks like a palette. And of course it's all wrapped up nice. And this is the Contour Series Cream Contour. Ooh, I like this kind of palettes. It really wrapped it up. I don't think I'm going to be able to get into it. I've been watching a lot of boxes, and I know I've seen the blush palette. I don't know if I've seen this palette. Let me know if you got this palette. The problem with some of these palettes is my skin's so light that they don't look good. It comes very nicely packaged. Wow. Nope, it's got a little booklet. Maybe this is directions. Oh, it is. It tells you where to put it. And drum roll, please. Oh, it even has on the card, but Saver on the card tells you where to put it too. I don't want to damage it. Wow. Actually, I might be able to get away with these colors. Now those are some nice colors. Of course, this one might be a little too dark for me, but sometimes when you go to put it on, it looks totally different. And I'm definitely gonna try this. And did I say what this retails for? This retails for Cream Contour Kit $40. So $66.96. So this is about a $150 box, give or take. But the thing of it is, I loved everything in it. I don't think there isn't a product that I wouldn't use in here. I'm gonna try the contour cream. I'm definitely gonna try this primer. And this was the mask. I'm definitely gonna give that a try. And the lip mask is definitely a keeper. And this brush set is a keeper. So what did you think of my box? I like this little set. What did you think of my box? Let me know if we're twins, if you got anything the same. So again, I did cancel it. Now I'm kind of upset because I really like this box. but the premium box is really great too. So as always, you guys have an awesome day. Comment, thumbs up, and I'll see you next video.